What is going on, guys? Welcome to the video. It's your coach Jimmy G, and today's video is going to be a little different. So I told you guys before that I own an apparel company called ELEV Fitness, what it takes to become the most elevated version of yourself. So we have on each piece words of affirmation, right? Like blessed, courage, hope, so all the things that it takes to become the most elevated version of yourself. We're gonna go today to meet up with two Orlando locals with our photographer Brian at an Orlando local studio for some content, because we got to move some of this women's gear before our next launch. This is Christina. This is Sabrina. You got this up? Oh, I appreciate that. You got it, girl.
Alright. Videos coming soon. We just took some fire photos. Would you guys like to see the studio set? Welcome.
I freaking love this. Look at the back.
Can we get in the light? Can we get in the light there?
Yeah, look at the back of this though. Look at the back of this though. Ooh, that's cute as hell.
I just wanna feel good, gotta lay down with some good kush. Quite a good girl, a real good bush. Come and go get a real good puss. I just wanna feel good, gotta lay down with some good kush. Quite a good girl, a real good bush. Come and go get a real good puss. I just wanna feel good, gotta lay down.
I love it. Supported. I love it so much.
Like each color has like a, it resonates, has a word of affirmation on there. Yeah.
Okay.
So that one, that
I
color
love
to me.
Oh, hey. The camera girl's behind the scenes again. Caught red-handed.
It's always so strange for me to be on the other side. Yeah, like we don't have to do that inside. Yeah, that can be
Sweating out there.
Is the whole outfit?
Whole outfit.
The yellow, I mean.
Yeah, the yellow.
Yeah, like we don't have to do that inside. Yeah, that can be
Sweating out there.
Is the whole outfit?
Whole outfit.
The yellow, I mean.
What up, girls? This is a vlog.
What's up?
What's up, vlog?
How do you guys feel in these like amazing ELEV gear?
Comfortable.
How's the comfort level on a scale of 1 to 10?
Soft. 10. It is really soft.
It is really cool.
I know, like it's comfy. It's nice and comfy.
Okay. How about the style?
The style is really cute. Look at this. Look back at it.
Hey, the legend.
What's it look like from behind? Let's see what it looks like. Maybe girls just like kind of like looking at each other. Like here.
Oh, okay.
That's the name of the song.
That's the name of the song.
Good push.
There you go.
No.
Why does it hate me?
So we're just finishing up. Sabrina and I about to do a little bit of shuffling and wrapping things up for that.
Nice. There she is. Hey, I see you. There it is. It's about the fun, baby. Get it, Tina.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I'm getting straight booty shots right now. I want y'all to know this. Get it, girls.
Boom, and there you guys have it, the behind the scenes of an ELEV photo shoot. Brian was super dope. Sabrina and Christina's energy was awesome. Orlando Photography Studio, super dope location. Definitely gonna be coming back there more. And yeah, guys, one video a week. We're promoting we're just trying to push the rest of this female product out so that we have some space and room for our new black and white collection that we're gonna be dropping. But other than that, if you guys are enjoying these videos, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, one video a week. Keep following along for the journey. Thank you for the support to everyone that keeps watching these videos and is rooting for the boy, the team, the ELEV team, so that we all continue to elevate on our journeys together, because we can go further together. So yeah, till the next video, guys. Peace.